Good morning, students. Today let us all understand about convectional rainfall. So before we understand this kind of rainfall, let us first understand the meaning of convection. What is convection actually? See, what happens that when the air gets heated up, so that warmer air starts rising up. The air consists of molecules, and those molecules start moving faster, so making it less dense, and then it rises because it becomes lighter, density decreases, so it starts rising up. And the cooler air then rushes to take its place because a vacant place is created when the hot air rises up. So in this way a circular motion is created that happens when warmer air, which has faster moving molecules making it less dense, rises, while the cooler air drops down. This current, this type of convection current, can result in wind, clouds, etc. Now let us understand convectional rainfall. So because convection currents are formed by heating, so convectional rainfall occurs in those regions where there is uniformly high temperature throughout the year, like in the equatorial regions. Why? Because there the sun rays remain vertical all the year around. The air starts rising due to intense heating. Then the heated air expands and rises upwards. The air rises due to intense heating. Why intense heating? Because of sun rays, intense heating of land, and radiation of heat to the atmosphere. And as the warm air rises, it expands and cools even. Thus, the moisture in the air, when it gets cooled, it gets condensed and clouds are formed. Which kinds of clouds? Cumulonimbus clouds are formed, and this leads to heavy rainfall. You can see in your book, even page number 39, they have given the diagram of convectional rainfall. See what is happening here. The surface is getting heated up because of sun. So the water vapor evaporates. When it reaches up, it gets cool. Clouds are formed, and then precipitation occurs in the form of rain. So these are the ascending convectional currents rising up. So this form of rainfall is known as convectional rainfall. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Thank you so much.